Hi friends, welcome to Eat Street. Restocking my chocolates and biscuits, Cadbury germs and Zera biscuits, some Britannia biscuits, Good Day biscuits and Oreo, my favorite biscuits. Britannia Good Day choco chip cookies, Bounce orange cream. Orange cream was always awesome taste. Britannia tiger creams, Happy Fizz apple flavor drink, Dairy Milk Lickables chocolates, and Cadbury germs surprise ball, Cadbury Dairy Milk lollies, Dairy Milk chocolate in lollipop, Cadbury Perk chocolate coated wafer chocolates and Nestle Munch. Nestle Milky Bar chocolate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.